So morning guys, it's Saturday morning, beautiful day out. It's going to be a little cooler than yesterday, about 92 today with a light breeze. It was about 96 yesterday. Not too bad, but it was getting a little warm in the afternoon after being out there all day. So we're going to go have our morning breakfast and go out and take a poke around and look around. Things don't start really happening until 8, but there might be some people out there, and I'm assuming there'll be some maybe even more cars rolling in today, maybe some more vendors in the swap meet spaces. We're out there and do lots of walking, lots of talking, lots of videoing, learning, and have a good day out here. Just fantastic. Weather's beautiful, so let's go do this thing.